Want to set up voicemail on your iPhone running iOS 26? In this quick guide, I'll show you the exact steps to get it done in just a minute. So, let's get started. First, open the phone app on your iPhone. At the top right, tap on the three lines menu. Next, choose Classic Mode. After switching to Classic Mode, you'll see the Voicemail tab appear at the bottom. Tap on Voicemail, then tap Edit. Now, select Greeting to edit voicemail. Here, you'll see two options. Default uses your carrier's standard greeting. Custom lets you record your own voicemail message. If you choose Custom, tap Record. Now, say your greeting. For example, "Hi, I'll call you back shortly. Please leave a message." Once you're done, tap Stop, then tap the checkmark icon to save it. And that's it. Your voicemail is now set up on your iPhone with iOS 26. From now on, when someone leaves you a message, it will appear in the Voicemail tab and you can listen to it anytime. If this video helped, make sure to like and subscribe for more simple iPhone tutorials. Thanks for watching.